This is cool, man. I've never seen this in person. This is awesome. So is it like, what's your theme?
Just murder.
Murder. Wow, I appreciate it. I just need to put the windows up so I can hear.
Right on.
Because I do videos on YouTube and I like to record. So, could you tell me what's in here equipment-wise?
I've got 6 Nightshade version 4.5s. They've got the 8-layer coils. I was the first one to get them. I'm not sure of the ratio of the box. I don't know what it's tuned to. For power, I've got 3 Singer 320 amp alternators. 2 are externally regulated. My amps, I've got 3 Salt 8Ks at a half ohm each, and then I got a 3K SFB 3000 on each door.
This is cool, man. I've never seen this in person. This is awesome. So is it like, what's your theme?
Just murder.
Murder. Okay.
I'm real big into metal.
Okay.
I only play, you know, this stuff when I demo, but
yes, sir.
I'm a big metalhead, so
okay.
It look like a murder thing.
Yes, sir. I like it, man.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks for the information. Have you metered it yet? What was your... Never metered. So demo them. Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Appreciate you putting the windows up for we can get answered.
Okay.
That was awesome. bandwidth is like clean too. I appreciate the demo, man. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.